How to refund games on Steam. Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to refund a game on Steam quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Steam app and go to the Help menu in the top left corner, and from there select Steam Support. Once you're on the support page, find and click on the game you want to refund. If it's not listed, search for it using the search bar. Next, select I would like a refund or it's not what I expected. Steam will then ask if you'd like to request a refund, so click on I'd like to request a refund. Then choose how you want your refund, either to your Steam wallet or original payment method. So keep in mind that to be eligible, you must have played the game for less than 2 hours and requested the refund within 14 days of purchase. So once you submit, Steam will review your request and you should get an update shortly. And that's it. Now you know how to refund a game on Steam. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials straight to the point. Thanks for watching.